You're gonna be okay.
Where should I cut her?
Right there. Llama, you're gonna be okay. I'm gonna be there for you.
You should cut her right here.
Uh-huh.
Cut her right here.
But make sure you be careful. It's okay, Llama. It's okay. Don't cry. You're breathing. Llama, it's gonna be okay. Don't cry. It's okay. Llama, it's okay. Llama, it's gonna be okay.
We're gonna remove all her guts out and then wash her.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to soak her with detergent so she's nice and clean. We're gonna throw all this away and give her a new soul, a new body.
A new
Yeah, we're gonna replace it. Okay.
replace.
Mhm.
Where?
We're gonna throw all this away because it's probably dirty.
Yeah.
So after that,
Llama, you're gonna be okay.
after that, I'm going to stuff her again
Mm-hmm.
and then sew her back up. Okay?
Okay. She looks like Ray.
She's gonna be fine.
Llama, you're gonna be fine. Don't cry. She thinks you love her.
Of course I love her.
Me too.
I'm her mama.
And I'm her dada.
Her head's stuck in there. Is Mama gonna be okay?
Yes.
Are you praying for her?
We love her so much.
She's probably really dirty. She needs a good bath.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I hope she'd be okay.
She will be okay. As long as you pray for her.
I will always pray for her. She looks like building a bear. Her neck. I mean, her face. Her face is so funny.
Sawyer, she's sad. You're laughing at her.
I'm sorry, Llama. And she's sad you're squishing her.
She's not awake right now. I put her to sleep.
How?
She's sleeping right now. She's under anesthesia.
You're magic.
Yeah, I am. She can't feel any of this right now because she's not even awake. I had to put her out of her misery.
It's okay, Llama.
Okay.
We will pray for you.
Look how dirty she is. Oh my goodness. Okay, we are gonna soak her inside out. And then let her dry, and then we stitch her back up. Okay.
Okay. I love her so much.
Okay, I'll be back.